feel a little bit like manipulated.
100%. Welcome to the marketing industry. Nighttime medicine. You know when you have that drowsiness cough medicine?
Yeah.
Do you know that was an unintentional side effect where they're like, we've found this cough medicine, but it actually makes people sleepy. No one would ever buy this. And they're like, actually, what if we market it as nighttime?
So it's kind of like saying instead of it being a negative side effect, it's actually for nighttime. So it's a positive side effect.
It almost sounds like they tried to make it like that.
I feel brainwashed right now.
Yeah.